guys, so today you won't be seeing my big fat round face because today I'm working behind the camera. So yeah, today I'm gonna share my favorite evening time snacks. So yeah, let's begin. So for pizza, I'll cut all the veggies that I like to load on my pizza base, especially mushroom, capsicum, onion, tomato, corn, and yeah, lots and lots of cheese. Then I'll heat the pan and put some butter on it and roast one side of pizza base till it turns golden brown. Then I'll spread the pizza sauce all over the roasted side and then I'll load all the veggies and cheese. Then again I'll heat the pan with butter on it and I'll put the pizza on it facing the non-roasted side downwards. If your pan has a lid to cover, then it's good, and if not, you can cover it with a steel plate like I do. So put the flame low and let it cook for 5 minutes and yes, your pizza is done. Sprinkle some chili flakes and oregano and tomato sauce and eat like you have never eaten before. Green smoothie. So this can be made so quickly, so you can have it if you are going for a workout or if you want to have something healthy to drink at home. So you just need spinach leaves, water, milk, banana and honey in case you need extra sweetness. So yeah, one banana is enough for one person. Mix it well in a mixer and add some nuts and it's all done. For carrot sandwich, take some grated carrots, add mayonnaise and black pepper powder and salt, which is optional. Sides of sandwich bread. Now spread the mixture all over it and then put the other sandwich bread on top of it. Cut it in the middle and yeah, it's all done. I like to eat it with tomato ketchup and yeah, it's so yummy and so easy to make, like it's one of my favorite snacks. Veg roll, which is one of my favorite. Heat a pan, put some oil and put green chilies and cumin seeds. Add onions, tomato, capsicum, corn, mushroom and whatever other veggies you like to eat. Put masalas like turmeric powder, coriander powder, black pepper powder and I like to put garlic ginger paste also, which is completely optional, and then add salt, cook for 2 to 3 minutes and yeah, your filling is done. Leftover roti from lunch. You can take all-purpose flour roti as well. So heat it with some oil or butter and then add veggie fillings, ketchup and mayonnaise. Ooh la la, there you have the yummiest roll right in front of you. Something healthy, I eat this salad that I get from Big Bazaar. It's a packed salad. So now I make salad dressing to make my salad a bit tasty, because you know how salad tastes. Yeah, right. So yeah, I take one garlic and crush it, and then add lemon juice and a bit of honey, and then mix it well. My salad dressing is all ready.